A very good example is the Sulu Vakataga. The Sulu Vakataga, ladies and gentlemen, we always attribute to the late Ratu Sir Lala Sukuna. He designed it borrowing from the liku wau. See, the wau, that cut, that design is very Fijian, very Pacific. But the one with the buckle was introduced by Ratu Sukuna. But the concept of this being a normal, traditional, now cultural wear is drawn from the wau. And the way it is expressed today is using modern material, but the concept, the cut, and the design is still the traditional. And that's for the Sulu Vakataga. That's what I mean. If you look at many Sulu Vakataga, it's using modern materials. How come no one in Europe has designed a costume like the Sulu Vakataga? Because the concept is not theirs. It is our tradition. That's what I mean when you draw anchor and tradition, but express creatively wherever it is necessary. And that's important for us to realize. We cannot turn the clock back. We can draw from it. It's an endless reservoir. We can draw from it in creative ways. Movie making, writing, poems, whatever, anything. We can.